Alright guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to go over the top 3 penny stocks that have a great potential to present a great trading opportunity in the month of July. I'll go over the fundamental, the technical, and the possible trade plans for these specific 3 stocks. Now these stocks are penny stocks and they trade under $5. All of these stocks that I'm going to be mentioning are in the healthcare sector. They will undergo an FDA approval phase, which is going to be considered a catalyst. So they're going to announce their trials. They're going to announce their FDA dates. So when they do that, they usually release a news or they release these catalysts. So based on these factors, the stocks is going to provide with us a great trading opportunity, guys. So you can either buy these stocks or you can go long, or you can decide to sell these stocks and go short. I'll explain to you in detail the perfect price points to look at to either go long or short. Now let's go right into the first stock. Now, the first stock is ticker symbol BPMX or Biopharmaceutical Corporation. Currently, the share outstanding for the stock is 11.19 million. The share of the float is 10.51 million, and currently 18.7% of the stock is owned by institutions, and the market cap is only 10 million. The company is currently losing $60 million. The net income is negative. So on early July, this company is going to provide a phase 2 date for the drug BPX-04 that will help treat rosacea. This is a skin disease. Based on this information, we'll expect a price action movement when this company actually releases these phase 2 date to the FDA. So if we get the exact price action, if we get the exact volume that we need, then this stock is going to present us a great trading opportunity. Now let's look at the technical of the stock. The stock has been beaten down a lot for the past few years and is currently at the lows, but seems to have found support at 0.8 cents area and started to trend a little higher. If good volume presents itself during the catalyst release for the stock, we can plan to go long, risking the lows, and we can have a price target to 123. Or if we're planning to short it, you can short the stock while it spikes to 123. Then you can cover basically at the lows. So these are the plans that you can execute. And also, if there is we actually plan this because there's a gap that is ready to be filled and the upside, you can use that level as your great opportunity to place your trades on. As I mentioned, I'll mention a lot, it is also very risky to trade these low float penny stocks, especially that are low float, they're penny stocks, and they're going to be very, very, very volatile. So you got to be very careful if you're going to day trade them, and also be extremely careful if you're going to hold a swing position overnight on the long, both on the short side. So make sure you be very, very careful with that. Now let's move on to the second stock. Before we move on, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, and if you have any questions, make sure you leave on the comments. And also, if you're interested in actually signing up for any kind of broker, make sure you check into Webull. It's a great trading platform. It's a great broker. Make sure you use my link. It's going to be in the description box. You can go and sign up. There's going to be a link in the description. Now, the second stock that we're going to be looking at is ticker symbol ABUS. It has a shares outstanding of 61 million. The share of the float is 35.12. 43% of the stock is currently owned by institutions and 40% by insiders in the company. The market cap is 134.2 million, and currently the income is actually negative $73.4 million. As we mentioned in the previous stock, in July the company will have its drug AB506 undergo a phase 1 data for hepatitis B HBV disease. HBV is a liver disease, so the drug is going to go under a test for that. So if the stock reacts and provide a great price action and volume, it's going to present us a great trading opportunities, either to go long or short. Now let's look at the technical price points we can use to either go long or short. let's look at the overall trend of the stock. As you can see, the stock's been trending in the down direction for the past months, but it found support at $1.50 area and continues to move higher, and it actually made a higher low. That is going to be a bullish sign for us. So for people who are interested in trading the stock on the long side, this is a great opportunity to anticipate a move to the upside while risking the previous low of 176 area and the price target to be at $3. On the other hand, for people that are interested in shorting the stock, you can wait for the stock to push to the higher to the high of the price point that it reached, and you can short it at the 3 to 350 area, or even short the stock at the current high of that it made at 250 area if you have a solid thesis that the stock will fall below. So I strongly suggest you be very, very careful with this low float penny stocks. As I mentioned, I'll mention it again, I suggest you be very careful holding a position overnight, swing trading it, because it can be extremely volatile. Now, the third stock that we're going to look at is going to be CBIO. Before we move on though, guys, make sure that before you place any kind of trades, you got to make sure the number one indicator to look at, make sure the volume is present, guys. When they release these news, when they release these catalysts, you got to make sure that there is volume present. There's going to be good liquidity in the stock. So if there is good volume, if the stock is trading above its average trading volume, you can always check the average trading volume for each specific stock that I mentioned over here. As you can see, the average volume for these stocks is indicated over here, and the average trading volume is indicated over here. So you can check that, and if it's trading above that or close to that, then you can actually enter and exit the price points that we are mentioning right now. Now let's move on to the third stock. The third stock is CBIO. The share outstanding is 11.98 million share float, and the share float is 11.13. 77% is owned by institutions and 0.3% by insiders of the company. So the market cap of this company is 87.69 million, and their income is negative $40.10 million. So the catalyst that we're going to wait for is the specific company is going to go on a phase 2 trial for the drug Marziplago alpha to treat hemophilia. Now let's look at the technicals. Overall, the stock is beaten down, but it found support around 620 area and started to recover, and it's currently making a low at $7. So if we anticipate a good price action or spike, the ideal price to enter right now is risking the lows of 7, and the target is going to be 780 area. If you're looking to short the stock, on the other hand, it's possible to use our $8 or the 850 area as a resistance and play it if you believe the stock is going to tank after that catalyst news release. So as I mentioned before, as I'll mention it again, be very careful if you're interested in shorting these penny stocks. Make sure the volume is present itself. You can always check the average volume compared to the current volume this day. So on the average, you can always go check it out. And also be very careful. There's a lot of, these are the 3 low float penny stocks, so they have a potential to go up 100% plus with the right catalyst, and also they can really damage your account if you're not on the right side of the stock. So make sure that the news is present and the price action and the volume is present before you place any kind of trades. So make sure you have a plan before you place your trade. Make sure you execute your plan and your trades. So this is going to be the end of this video. Make sure to smash the like button and comment below your questions. If you have any further comments, leave it. And if you want to sign up if you don't have a broker and you want to sign up for Webull, make sure you check out. There's going to be a link in the description box, and I will catch you guys on the next video.